Children, see, when I corrected your class test papers, I saw many of you are doing it wrong. I think it's a lack of practice. I feel so you are not practicing properly. So let me discuss the answers first for that questions, and you have to see this and check with your paper what mistake you have done. So I am explaining the answers and I will send this as a video. So see it today itself. Okay. First question was solve 2y plus 3 the whole square minus 25 equal to 0. So many of you have done by expanding 2y plus 3 the whole square. So better than that, see this 2y plus 3 the whole square minus 25 going to right side is 25. Then 2y plus 3 will be root of 25. Root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Then 2y plus 3 can be 5 or 2y plus 3 can be minus 5 also. Then the answer will be y is equal to 1 or y is equal to minus 4. So that are the two answers, and many of you made it in different way. Many of you got minus 1 and plus 4, but answer is wrong. That is correct answer is 1 and minus 4, and this is the easy way to do that question. Then second question is solve 2x minus 3 by x minus 2 plus 2x minus 7 by x minus 4 equal to 5 1 by 3, that is 16 by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. So when doing that question, there are a lot of simplification errors. See, cross multiply 2x minus 3 into x minus 4 plus 2x minus 7 into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 16 by 3. First step. Then opening the bracket, 2x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 12, 2x square minus 4x minus 7x plus 14 equal to 16 by 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8. X square minus 6x plus 8. This going to right side. 2x square plus 2x square, 4x square minus 8x minus 3x minus 11x minus 15x minus 22x plus 26 is equal to 16 by 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8. Now you can take 2 common from left side and that 2 can be cancelled with the 16. 2x square minus 11x plus 13 equal to 16 by 3 x square minus 6x plus 8. 2 and 16 cancels as 8. Now 3 comes to left side. So 6x square minus 33x plus 39 equal to 8x square minus 48x plus 64. Opening the bracket. Now combining 8x square minus 6x square, 2x square, then 33x minus 33x minus 48x. While going to right side, it will be minus 15x and 64 minus 39. 64 minus 39, it is 25 equal to 0. So the equation is 2x square minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term, product should be 15 and sum should be 15, so minus 10. 2x square, from here you can do 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25 equal to 0. Solving, your answer will be 5 5 by 2. So the answers are 5 and 5 by 2, but a very few only got this answer. Means many of you are making mistake in this section. So check your answer. Now question number 3. The question was, third question was solve, Question number 3. Find the nature of roots and hence find them if they are real. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. First question was find the nature of roots. So take 3 LCM, then it will be 9x square minus 6x plus 1 the whole by 3 equal to 0, which will be 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So now nature of roots means you have to find b square minus 4ac, that is 36 minus 9 into 4, that is again 36, so 0. b square minus 4ac is 0, so roots are real and equal. Many of you stopped here. Roots are real and equal. But you should not stop there. There is one more question, and find them if they are real. Find them means you have to find the roots. Roots will be x is equal to minus b minus of minus 6 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac 0 by 2 into 3, which will be 2 into 9. I am doing based on this minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which will be 6 by 18. Answer is 1 by 3. 6 by 18, 1 by 3. But we have studied the roots are equal. So the roots are 1 by 3, comma 1 by 3. This is how you have to present the answer. Now question number 4. Fourth question. Question was, the denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator. The sum of fraction and its reciprocal is 2 4 by 15. Find the fraction. So question number 4. Let the numerator x, then the denominator x plus 2 plus x plus 2 by x equal to 2 4 by 15 means 34 by 50. Now this part many of you wrote. Then x square plus x plus 2 the whole square by x into x plus 2 equal to 34 by 50. 2x square plus 4x plus 4 after opening the bracket. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 by x square plus 2x equal to 34 by 15. 30x square plus 60x plus 60 equal to 34x square plus 68x. Now combining them, taking to one side, equation becomes 4x square plus 8x minus 60 0. 4 can be taken common. X square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Now 3 5s are 15. X square plus 3x plus 3 5s minus 3x minus 15 0. X into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5 0. That is x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 3. So there are two answers, minus 5 or 3. Then if x is equal to 3, then the fraction will be 3 by x plus 2, which is 3 by 5. Now if x is equal to minus 5, then what will be the answer? Minus 5 by minus 5 plus 2, then the fraction will be minus 5 by 3. X is equal to minus 5 or 3. Anyway, the answer will be 3 by 5 and its reciprocal is 5 by 3. Then the answer. So that is a fourth question. Now fifth one. Fifth question. Fifth one is yes. Find the value of k if the roots of the given equation are equal. X square minus 2 into 1 plus 3k into x plus 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0 has equal roots. find the value of k if this equation possesses equal roots. So if the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That is minus 2 into 1 plus 3k. That is b square minus 4a1 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. Now squaring 4 into 1 plus 3k whole square minus 28 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. Now see, 4 can be taken common from both sides. 4 7s are 28. So 4 taken common and going to right side it cancels with 0. Minus 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. 1 plus 6k plus 9k square minus 21 minus 14k equal to 0. Now 9k square equation will be 9k square 6k minus 14k, that is minus 8k minus 21 plus 1 minus 20 equal to 0. 9k square minus 8k minus 20 0. Product should be minus 180. Sum should be minus 8. 18 and 8. 18 and 8. So 9k square minus 18k plus 18 and we get 18 and 10, not 8, 18 and 10 plus 10k minus 20 equal to 0. 9k into k minus 2 plus 10 into k minus 2 0. So k will be either 2 or minus 10 by 9. 2 or minus 10 by 9, that are the values of k. So these are the answers, and those who made mistake, check with your paper. This is only the way you can study. So find your mistake and correct it.